Hey guys, this is Drift King 777 and today I'm going to show you how to get ringtones for iPhone through Mac, because I've heard many people saying that because they don't have data service on their iPhones, they don't get ringtones and they can't surf on the net to get it. So this will be the most simplest way to do it. So I'm going to get it through it. So once you have connected your iPhone, basically you have to just select a song. After you select a song, you'll just have to make an ACC version of it. Just before making the AAC version, you'll just have to trim the song down to at least 40 or 30 seconds. If the trimming is not too less, it'll display a message saying that it cannot be copied to the iPhone. So once you've trimmed down to the correct time limit, you'll just have to make an AAC version of it. Once you've done that, I've already made one here. You'll just have to show it in Finder, and as you can see at the starting, when you make I'll just show you it first. Create an AAC version. Once that sound comes, you know that you have created one. So now show it in Finder. Once I've done that, you can see that it's an M4A. So basically, you'll just have to change it to an M4R. Then only Apple recognizes it as a ringtone. So you just have to change it to an M4R and enter. Use. Okay, sorry about that. Okay, so now once I've done that, you can see there's an M4R version. Okay, and then just keep the Finder open, because you're going to delete it because you made a ringtone in your list, but the iTunes does not recognize it as a ringtone. So what you'll have to do is just delete it. Okay, so just move to trash, and I'll move what I showed you also to the trash. Okay, so once I've done that, oh sorry about that. Okay, I'll just do it again for you. I'm really sorry about this. It's just not easy. So just show it in Finder and do what I did that time. Change it to an M4R. Once you run that, just open again in iTunes. So it recognizes it as a ringtone. Now I'm using iTunes 10.3.1. Basically, it'll work in any iTunes, but I have not tried it in the previous versions. I tried it on 8, 9, and 10, but not below that. So I recommend you to use any of those versions. Now you might notice that it says in the info that it says it's a ringtone. So but it doesn't come under the ringtone category. That's fine. It's just fine. It's gonna come in an iTunes no matter what. If it doesn't come, I don't know what to do about it, because this is the most simplest way to do it, and I got it on my iPhone. So yeah, so once you've done that, just allow to sync it. In case, as you see, it's not in mine because it recognizes it as a ringtone, but it doesn't come on the ringtone options. So you don't have to do this. You'll just have to say like sync music. So once you have done the syncing, it's gonna come on your iPhone. So I'm gonna start syncing. So once it's done that, you've got your ringtone on your iPhone. So basically what you'll have to do is just go to your ringtones option in settings, and then just select, there'll be two options, custom, and that is your custom made ringtones, so and your normal ringtones. So custom made, click it, save. Thanks for watching guys, and hope I'll come with a video of some other Mac next time. Any problem you have, guys, please type to me and comment me, and you can send even a message to me on Gmail and even on YouTube, because this is my second video and I hope it's helping you guys. So thanks for watching.